Magic pen. Let's see what it's all about. So there's a pen. It usually sits in here. And there's a base. That's it. So let's unbox it. So we got right here a pen and a base. Put it on and it will sit just like this. Sideways, straight. Let's see if we get a perfect balance. It should sit straight. That table is not really leveled. Well, maybe just going to wobble. Wow, that is cool. And there is a really low friction, so it's kind of like a kinetic sculpture to where it's kind of like rolls around. That's quite satisfying. De-stress, change your mind, reset your mind. Oh, spin it, it will fall. That is cool. Grab it, unspin it, write something, put it back on, spin it back up. Very cool. This is probably the coolest magnetic stand for the pen. That is awesome. Look at that balance. Really satisfying. And different angle. Grab a pen, couple of twists, write it down. I wish it was a snap-on, but it is what it is. That looks cool too. Put it in without thinking and it works so well. It's pretty interesting. If I twist it, it falls. If I spin it, wow. Talking about the way magnets work. Here's the Griffin pocket tool. 12 plus tools, TSA safe, heavy duty, travel ready. Let's try it out. So there's all the tools. Okay. Very nice packaging. First of all, pry bar. Pry open a can, like a paint can. We do not want to pry open anything with the blade because it's thin. It will snap, and it happens all the time. The edge of the blade will snap. This is why we want to use something else, like a pry bar, not a knife, because it will snap. It's not what it's made for. It's made for cutting. This is made to pry open cans and so on, pull even nails out. This is actually good to open boxes, like to the tape. This side here would just make it dirty. It cuts boxes really well, but it is much easier that way. Whatever inside the box not going to cut inside the box. The knife, which is good too, if go too deep, cut the product inside the box. Happened to me multiple times. It's also a carabiner. That's amazing. Bottle opener and a wrench. Ooh, look at that screwdriver. Interesting. Another like wrench of some sort. I think like bits can go in here, like a little screw bits. Let's see. Phillip head and key. Oh, key recess and key in hole. And it's also a wrench. Bottle opener, bit driver. Cool. Carabiner, wrench. Another wrench, nail pry bar, flat driver. Oh, that's cool. And ruler. I don't see the ruler. Okay, very cool. Here's a $15 flashlight with 900 lumens. Rechargeable EDC flashlight, model V3. Let's see what it's all about. That is incredible value. Okay, so there's a wire keyring. That is small. Wow, 900 lumens, that's it. Okay, turn it on. Ooh, that is cool. So quick access, which is perfect, access to 900 lumens. Double click, there you go. Single click, change moods. What is this? Oh, wow, that is easy. Quick access to this flashlight, like lantern. Double click, there you go. There's a lantern, but it's like lantern is only 180. And then there's a darker green color. Ooh, I think it's going to glow in the dark. And red, flashing. Cool. And that's it. Person off. Ooh, there's a magnet. Let's try it out. Wow, stone magnet. That is so amazing. So quick access here. Quick access. Double click. Turn it off. Triple click maybe. Nope. turn it off. Very cool flashlight. Let's see if it glows in the dark. And it glows in the dark. What a value. Wow, that is amazing flashlight. So if I drop it, it's easy to spot it in woods or wherever. I cannot believe this flashlight is only $14. Look like how bright it is. And quick access to this, like a lantern. Very bright too. And darker moods. Amazing. Here's a Zippo Insert, and this is actually official brand, so it will fit a regular Zippo lighter, no problem. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. Zippo been doing a lot of cool innovating things. See if it's any good, if I can open it. Okay, just slides out this way, that's it. So it inserts in the regular Zippo lighter. That is amazing. So first of all, we have right here screw bits, star bits, flathead. So instead of a lighter, we have right here different star bits, and there's a magnet inside of it. Zippo manufacturing company, beautiful. I love it. There's a flame on it, but all it is a multi-tool. Feels like some kind of plastic on the inside. That is cool. So now we can have a Zippo lighter multi-tool that doesn't produce any light, but still we can carry a cool case with us and open it up and take it out from the case and use it as a lighter. That is amazing. I love cool innovations. And this one by Zippo. Got it here, another EDC satisfying toy. Okay, this is Ultem see-through material, pretty hardy. And so what we got, we have right here like a spinner but with magnets. On one side magnets right here, and on the other side magnets right here. And it's pretty clickable. So if I sit here, ooh, that is pretty satisfying. Very satisfying fidgety toy. Got it here, Serge Pechenko knife. Warranty card. Whoa, this one is a beast. A really big one. Beautiful heat treated titanium, looks like. Okay. Ooh, that's tight. That is a big knife. I really enjoy big knives. This is a Surge knife score M290 trisect. Beautiful. Ooh, look at that clip. That is a big knife. It's a very comfortable. I love the handle. Goes kind of sideways. There you go. Logo. Wow. Okay. Frame lock. Smooth. Wow. Let's see. Ooh, that's almost easier to open it this way. That's like a spider flip, and it's a big enough hole to stick the whole finger in. I have big hands, and it's so easy. Left hand. I'm a right-handed. Ooh, a bit too strong for me. Oh no! Wow, no way. Is this like? No way. This is like a front flipper as well. Let's try it. Yeah, for sure. So there's a multiple way to open it. With the thumb right here, spider flick, and a top flipper, like front flipper right here. Sometimes it doesn't work. Usually knives out of the shop comes a little bit tight. Once we like flip it few times, they loosen up a little bit, and it's a lot easier to open it. There you go. But yeah, this is probably the easiest way for me to open it. I love it. I love the design. I love the style. Looks like a little cleaver, a really big knife. Love it. I would carry it every day. Flicks out so well. Look how smooth that is. Okay, top flipper. Beautiful. Very nice knife and stylish.